Okay, kindergartners, we have done a lot with our snap words, and today we're going to do some more work with snap words. And I want you to know that the more words that you learn, the better you're going to be at reading and writing. So snap words can help me write whole sentences. Did you guys realize you can write whole sentences? You're going to. So let's look at some of my words. I have the word I have the word like, and I have the word my. I think I can use those to write a couple sentences. Let's see. I could say, I like my toys. Or I could say, I like my dad. Did you guys see how I used these three snap words to write complete sentences? You guys can do the same thing. But remember, we have to turn these words into snap words, meaning you know them in a snap. So let's look at this one, I. Can you stand up and get really tall and make a big, tall I? Let's study it. I. When I look at that I, it is one letter. And it is a tall letter, isn't it? And I can spell it. That's easy. I. And then I can write it. Get up in the air and go down and across at the top and at the bottom. Or if you have your dry erase board, practice writing the word I on your dry erase board right now. Just take a minute. On the board, on the carpet, on your hand. Awesome. And now we have to use it. So think about how you can use the word I. I used it making a sentence. Now, let's look at the word like. Like looks a little bit different than I, doesn't it? There are how many letters? Did you count those? I did. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters. And I'm studying this really hard. And I hear the I, and some of you know this, but I, when it says its name, that magic E on the end does some work, and you'll learn about that. And let's spell it together. L-I-K-E. Like. We just spelled the word like. And then take some time right now. You're going to stop. I want you to practice writing the word like on your dry erase board. I'll do it right over here with you. L-I with a dot. K-E. Like. Now I got to think, how can I use this? I can use it as I say, I like this or I like that. And my last one today is my. Read that with me. My. My. Oh, I hear Y say I. Do you hear that? I, my. And as I study this, what do you notice? Yeah, me too. There's only 2 letters in this word. Yeah, and they're both short letters. But guess what? Look at this one. This one looks funny. This one goes down in the dirt. Do you see that? How that tail on the Y goes down? Yeah. So we studied it. We read it, and now let's spell it. M-Y, my. And then now I want us to write it again. Grab your dry erase board or do it on your hand or on the table with your finger, and we're gonna write the word my. I'm gonna go down, make one hump around and another hump, and my Y is going to slide down and slide over. This might be something really good that if you are still working on your letters and how they should be formed, take some time to really practice writing these letters. So now here's what we're gonna do. We need to use them. So I'm gonna share with you on the next page how you are gonna use these words to practice them. Are you guys ready? Let's go.